What's up, all you wonderful guys, gals, and ghouls? CJ here. Welcome back to my channel. How have y'all been? I've been great, been just dandy. Thanks for asking. So I am back with another entry into my D&D styled Sailor Scouts challenge. I think I said that wrong, but anywho, yeah, I'm back with this challenge. And this time I am doing Sailor Mercury. Yep, I am doing Amy Mizuno, that super genius powerhouse of the Sailor Scout Squad. Sailor Scout Squad. CJ, something's wrong with you. But anyway, yes, I'm doing Sailor Mercury. I wanted to make Sailor Mercury look like an ice mage wizard, someone who uses magical powers, and the magical powers are based on water, most specifically ice. The wisdom of her powers has grown exponentially, but it came at a great cost. I'm thinking like she accidentally hurt one of her fellow Sailor Scouts. It was an accident, it was a true accident, but it really messed with her mind. Therefore, she just kind of locked herself away, and you know, just from the world and from her friends, kind of like the plot of Frozen. I'm just not realizing that. That's weird. I promise I'm not trying to rip anyone off or rip off movies, plots, whatever. But anyway, yeah, she's supposed to be like an ice mage. But yeah, instead of letting it go, she didn't let it go, and this is what happened. I don't know, I'm weird. Y'all know I'm weird. I'm sorry. But anyway, her the weapon I gave her, or the weapon I made for her, is, I guess you can say, is a halberd. A halberd made out of permanently frozen ice. I don't know. I thought it was cool. I mean, I thought it went with the picture well. I mean, you'll see that in the finished picture of this. But yeah, I thought of giving her a halberd would be awesome. It looked like it would fit her best. So of course, this was made for my D&D Sailor Scout challenge, of course, and this was also made for an art group I joined called Art Addicts Alliance. So Art Addicts Alliance is a Facebook group just dedicated to a small band of artists like myself, who just want to have fun and make art. And I haven't been with the group very long, but they have a themed collaboration for every month, and this theme for this month was the elements, and obviously I chose water, more specifically ice. So I thought I can put my D&D Sailor Scout challenge plus the AAA theme collab together, you know, two birds with one stone. And yeah, that's what I did. But I hope you guys enjoy this picture. I hope they enjoy this picture. Again, I will leave a link to the art group so you can check it out yourself. Go check it out. You know, I'm there. Good people there, good art. It's just a good place. I'm so weird, I'm sorry. I don't know if I'm going to continue this challenge. Like, I kind of want to do all of the Sailor Scouts and some of the villains as well, but I don't know. Well, I know I don't want to do it all at this point in time. I want to do some other stuff. Maybe I'll come back to this. Maybe that's what I'll do. Maybe I'll come back to this at a later date. But yeah, I'm going to shut my trap as I usually do, and I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this video, and hope to see y'all on that final frontier. Bye.